I had to come by here and lock up some container doors that they couldn't get shut. Thought I'd walk around. I already got my job finished. It's a Plymouth Scamp. That's a gold duster. I never knew they made a gold. I knew they made dusters, but I'd never heard of a gold duster until I started working out here. Let's see. I think this is not a Demon. For sure. No, that's a duster. A Twister duster. Still a little bit of decal left. There's another one. Don't seem like that car belongs here. I think too many of them made like that one. Valiant 200. Well, you just have to be here to see how much a difference this is from where we started about 2 years ago. We kind of didn't think they had sprayed poison. We didn't think it had took hold. What we had done, you see how we really need to spray out about this far, because when they run the tractor through, they just try to make one pass, and this stuff here got growed up. And when you walk off from here and turn around and look back, you'd think, man, it's just grown up real bad. Can't even tell we done anything. But we went down through here and cut this, and it opened up. The poison worked in between the cars. So what we're going to have to do this year, they're going to have to get their spray out here a little bit more, and that's not no problem. We'll have control of this thing this time next year, but we're fixing to have to do to this. Sprayed here, and you see how some of the, like you see them trees, and it looks like it's grown up. You cut that one line down, and you can walk freely in between the cars. So the poison has worked. They just need to spray it a little bit more and a little bit wider. But we're going to come over here this week. We're going to start clearing that out. And this time we cut these trees, and those little trees are small enough, we'll throw them out here. And then when we cut this with a bush hog, we'll just chew up what we cut out here. But maybe by spring, maybe before the first of the year, we'll have that right there looking like this. And when y'all watching these videos, any other YouTuber you see that's messing with Mopars, send them a link, let them know about us, because I can probably find them parts. No discounts, but I can get them like this straight hookup. You ain't got to wait. We'll get it all took care of and kind of do it with YouTube in mind. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, share our content. Man, we appreciate y'all watching.